and then Bondo glass. I'll try to remember to put a picture up so you can see what I used. Once I got this divot filled in, then I switched to regular Bondo just to kind of smooth everything out and shape it. That's where we're at right here. I primered this side so I could see any of the imperfections, because as you can see on this side, you can't pick out any imperfections on this side because there's just so much going on. You have all the different types of Bondo that I used, so it's kind of hard to see any imperfections. It just kind of looks like one big collage of filler. But once you put primer on it, then you can kind of see those little divots start to pop out at you. Like right here, here's a low spot that I've got to fill, and this needs more sanding, and then this is one right here, and then there's a few more. There's a few all over the place. But when you don't have primer on it, you really can't tell, and you can't see those little low spots. The other benefit of priming it while you're still sanding it is that you can use this primer as a guide coat. So I'll come back and I'll sand, and anywhere that's low, it's still going to be black. It's still going to have the primer in it. And so I'll know that that's a low spot. Hopefully I don't have any of those spots when I sand it here in a second. I think I got that pretty much taken care of. I know I'll just have these little pin holes and pin pricks and little slashes like this. I've got to come back and fill. And then this right here, this and this was me. When the filler was still wet, I bumped it right here and here, and so that created a low spot. I'll take care of that here in a second. But other than that, we're gonna keep sanding this side. We're gonna primer this side just to match this side, and then we'll sand the whole door panel. Then once we get it sanded again, then I'll go through and I'll go up through the grits